I've never seen one, so
There you go, first time.
Yeah, no, I mean, my son was walking around and said, "There's a Holden over there," and I said, "Really? That's cool."
Hey guys, headed to Annapolis Cars and Coffee in Annapolis, Maryland. I've been meaning to go to check this Cars and Coffee out for a long time and have a good time and meet some new people and check it out. Guys, this is DHR Street Speed, right?
Yeah, right. Hey
yeah,
guys,
so
how you doing?
Be sure to subscribe to his channel. This was his ZR1 that you guys saw, and you also have a ZL1.
Yeah, we got the ZL1. You want me to do the rundown?
Yeah, sure, rundown.
ZL1, 1LE.
One
We got
LE.
the Hellcat, we got the Demon, we got the Trackhawk, we got the Super Snake.
I'm out of hand.
Yeah,
Fingers.
we'll go, but the garage got we got 9 vehicles in the garage.
Definitely, yeah.
Come by, take a look.
Yeah, check out his channel. He's got a whole channel showing every car and all his cars together. So, see you guys there.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks.
See ya.
We'll see you around.
All
see you on
right.
the street, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's not gonna get it.
European car?
Nope. Other side.
Oh, really?
It's Australian.
Wow, you're right. I'll never get it.
Yeah, it's a dime a dozen over there. It's like so
Really?
common over there. They're taxi cabs, they're police cars, they're commuter cars. But this is a their top of the line model, which is a Commodore SS from it's a General Motors company over there called
Really?
Holden. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And they imported only 12,000 of them in the last 4 years, just as an inventory obligation. No marketing, no campaign or advertising whatsoever.
Wow.
So it's kind of a small community. If anybody's known of the Pontiac G8 way back in the day,
Yeah.
that was the first. That was the gen before this.
Well, when I first was walking up, I was thinking, oh, okay, is that a Pontiac or
Yeah, good guess though. That's because this is the newer version of that. If Pontiac was still around, this would have been the next iteration.
I did 2 laps around it before I realized I had no idea. Wow.
Yeah, it's got the Corvette motor.
Really?
Yeah, Camaros suspension. So,
Oh, neat.
and I can haul the kids around.
What kind of fuel mileage do you get?
I'm getting about 22 highway.
Really?
Yeah, but everything is pretty much lower after that if I'm getting on it on the city.
That's
So it's a
impressive.
6.2 Vet is just a motor in there, just, you know, it drinks when you get on it. But on the highway, it's not too bad, about 22.
Wow. What's this top end supposed to be?
It's as far as the engine, you're looking at about 160 to 170 miles per hour.
Really?
Yeah. I haven't gotten that far yet, but
Wait,
I haven't
yeah.
taken on the track. I've only been up to about 120 easily.
okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's a GM V8. It's easy to do that. You're looking at stock. It's 415 horsepower, 415 torque. I have it tuned with the intakes about 450 now.
Wow.
So yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. I love it.
Very cool.
Yeah, thank you. Australian Holden Commodore, General Motors company.
Right. Yeah, I'm aware. Because
Yeah,
They built
okay,
the
good.
GTOs on those
Yeah, the
platforms.
Monaros, yeah.
Yeah. So
The Pontiac G8 before
So
this.
how did you? Yeah. So how did you get the left-hand steering wheel in a Holden?
Yeah, when General Motors imported under the Chevy brand, so they ordered 12,000 of them left-hand drive for the
the
U.S.
Holdens.
market. But no advertising, no campaign, no ads whatsoever, except for one Jeff Gordon promo at a Daytona race in 2013. That was it. Yeah, thanks. I don't see too many. There's only a few in the area, a handful.
I've never seen one, so
There
my
you
son
go,
was-
first time.
Yeah, no, I mean, my son was walking around and said, "There's a Holden over there," and I said, "Really? That's cool."
Yeah.
So you know, I'm sort of voting for the coolest car here. So you may You may be close.
Thanks. I told my other Holden friends if they can make it this morning, but they were all asleep.
Really?
Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I even got brochures on the dash.
Yeah, I see that. I saw that.
The Holden guy in Australia dealership sent me that one just for fun. So, but yeah, man,
Oh, it's nice to have a.
it's kind of a sleeper.
Well, more than that, it's just unique.
Yeah,
you know?
that too. I
mean,
get so many questions on the road. People roll down the window. What is that?
What is it?
Yeah.
That
so,
that is cool.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's wow. Very cool. Way to go, young man.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Car, man. I don't see too many of those anymore.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I hope they bring it back. They don't bring these stateside anymore, right? Just the RS3 or yeah.
Talking about bringing the new one, the Avon here, but I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see. That would be cool if they bring the Avon.
Yeah, this is it's 2008. Last year they made them.
Looks great. So the Annapolis Cars and Coffee was pretty epic. You saw these cars, all kinds of cars. It was amazing. I don't know if it's always like that, but I'm glad I went today. Man, I wish I got there a little earlier so I could have had better parking so I can mix and match with all the other variety of cars. But you know, the car got some attention, got some questions, as you guys heard. I think it was a pretty successful event. So don't forget to check out Dave's channel, DHR Street Speed. His YouTube channel is in the link, is in the description below. You've heard all the cars he has. He's local to the area. We're in the same county. Definitely check it out. He's got a great garage. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I sure enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more to come. And we will see you next time. Take care, guys.